I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. Setting up notifications on Kraken can help you stay on top of your trades and market movements. Here is how to do it step by step. Step 1. Log into your account. Start by logging into your Kraken account. Make sure you have your credentials handy to access your dashboard. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, go to the account settings by clicking on your profile icon in the top right corner. This is where you can customize your notification preferences. Step 3. Select notifications. In the account settings menu, look for the notifications tab. Click on it to view the different types of notifications you can set up, such as price alerts and trade confirmations. Step 4. Customize your alerts. Choose the specific notifications you want to receive. You can set alerts for price changes, order status updates, and more. Make sure to toggle the options to your liking. Step 5. Save your settings. After customizing your alerts, don't forget to save your settings. Look for the Save button at the bottom of the page to ensure your preferences are applied. If you miss this step, your changes won't take effect. Now you're all set to receive notifications on Kraken. Keeping track of your trades has never been easier. If you have any questions, feel free to ask.